And the Rapa Nagasi, James Quick Carnegate, followed by Big Daddy's Dream, Tawanits, Stormy Norman, Touch of Glory, Speedy Maki, while Labrador is running in a tail of the fielder. Out of straight they travel, Legacy with a length lead, followed by Big Daddy's Dreamer. 5 lengths away, Tawanits moving up, Speedy Maki, Stormy Norman, Touch of Glory, while Labrador still running in a tail of the fielder. Into the back they travel, Legacy by a length, followed by Big Daddy's Dream on the outside, second. Half mile distance they travel, Legacy hugging on with a length lead, followed by Big Daddy's Dreamer, and running in third, Speedy Maki, and it's moving up in between horses. Inside the last 600, Big Daddy's Dream on the outside by half length, followed by Legacy. Speedy Maki running in third, Tawanits, Stormy Norman, long way back, Touch of Glory and Labrador. Towards the final turn is still Big Daddy's Dream, leads by line, followed by Legacy, and Speedy Maki coming close in third, but still Big Daddy's Dream, followed by Legacy and Speedy Maki, and finally Big Daddy's Dream, Legacy, Speedy Maki, Tawanits, Touch of Glory.
Mainam talaga. Big Daddy's Dream. 2, 1, 4, 3.